Today we will see how to show root 2 on a number line. We all know that root 2 is an irrational number. So let's understand first. This is triangle OPA, right angle triangle. It is 90 degree at angle A. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. So segment OP is the hypotenuse. The remaining two sides of the triangle PA is 1 unit, OA is 1 unit. So we will see that how to find out distance OP, the length of OP by using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse OP square equals to AP square plus OA square. AP is 1 unit, OA is 1 unit. So square of 1 is 1, square of 1 is 1. Add, so that is equals to 2. So OP is root 2. So if OA and PA both are 1 unit, OP hypotenuse will be root 2. If we take distance OP in the compass, that will become root 2. And by taking this distance, if we draw any circle, its radius will be root 2. So if we want root 2 distance on the number line, we have to draw perpendicular at 1. That is denoted by point A. So we will draw perpendicular over here using protractor. Now it is a perpendicular. Distance from O to A is 1 unit. If we take equal distance from A up to here, that is 1 unit, by using compass, we will measure this distance OA and we will keep it at A and we will cut the arc. So from A to this is 1 unit. OA 1 unit, AP 1 unit. If we join OP, it is hypotenuse of triangle OPA. So now this distance OP is equal to root 2 as we have understood over here. If these two, both the segments are 1 unit each, OP is root 2 by Pythagoras theorem. So here OP is root 2. So that distance we will measure with the help of compass. And we will keep it at P and we will draw the arc up to this number line. So it intersects over here on the number line with the distance root 2 on the compass. This distance is root 2. So here point Q denotes root 2 on the number line. Now we will see how to show square root of 3 on a number line. For that, in the previous video, you have learnt how to show square root 2 on the number line. So for square root of 3, first you have to draw square root 2 on the number line. Then you have to draw a perpendicular at this point, at the point of square root of 2 with the help of protractor. So now we will keep the protractor by keeping it straight on square root 2 to draw perpendicular on it. So now we have drawn a perpendicular on square root 2. Now in the compass we will take the distance which is equals to 1 unit, that is from 0 to 1. Then we will keep it at this point P, which denotes root 2, and by keeping it at point P we will cut an arc on this perpendicular. So now distance OP is root 2 unit, and distance from P up to this mark which you have made is 1 unit. Join points O and R. Now in the compass take distance equals to OR and cut the arc on the number line with this radius OR. So with this radius, when you cut on the number line, you get point T, and point T denotes square root of 3. This way, if we have to show root 3 on the number line, first we have to draw root 2, and with the help of root 2 we can find root 3 on the number line.